Um, just figured I'd stop for a second and give everybody a little bit of a tip. Install zippers a lot easier. I know with my scissors, sometimes I don't get the best cut, and then if everything ain't cut perfectly, the zipper head won't slide on, or it really won't even go over the teeth. So I just take my lighter. I keep the lighter handy, melt it a little bit, melt those threads, and then it slides on a lot easier. And then once I go to pull it apart, I just take and grab it like this. You can hear it click, and it'll go on down. Appreciate y'all watching. Follow for more tips, tricks, and showcasing some of my work. Thank you.